What would Drake do? A question I've asked myself in many situations. And today, I'm asking it about my diet. I've been in a little bit of a food rut, just not eating the best stuff. And the former Bobby Altoff podcast guest has been looking absolutely yoked up lately. So I thought to myself, what is the sixth god eating a day? And after a solid 3 minutes of Googling, I was absolutely stumped. Befuddled, perplexed even. There really isn't that much information out there about what fuels the 2014 ESPYs host. That was until I found this article from the extremely trustworthy site TotalShape.com. I figured if I can't trust TotalShape.com, who can I trust? You might even say that I have trust issues. Kinda like
Drake. I wanna be like Drake now. I wanna eat like Drake, yeah.
oatmeal. Champagne Papi eats oatmeal every morning for breakfast. I thought I'd be kicking my day off with mimosas. Instead, I'm eating porridge. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning, Drake. Bro eats porridge every morning with berries. Can you even imagine Drake at like a little table eating porridge in the morning?
Nom 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 nom.
That being said, I do love me some oatmeal. I guess I was just expecting something a little bit more baller. I thought I'd be whipping up a Kobe cap steak with eggs imported from Paris. Okay, good news. After further review on TotalShape.com, I realized that he actually has another breakfast option. So we're gonna whip that up because I don't feel like eating oatmeal. I wanna feel like Champagne Papi today, not my grandfather eating porridge.
Drake. I wanna be like Drake now. I wanna eat like Drake, yeah. Why my boy eating oatmeal so much? All I want is
Alright, now it makes sense why Drake's so yoked. Anyway, yeah, it's a lot of protein. I'm actually gonna put some truff on here. Not nad, I wish it was. So as you can tell, this isn't really like an omelet. I'm just gonna toss up a stock image. This is what it's supposed to look like, but if I'm being honest with you, I don't know how to make an omelet. So I'm just eating scrambies. I feel like Drake blows on every bite, so not too shabby. So after Drake's done with breakfast, after his tummy's all filled up, I assume that he makes some wraps. He probably does some wraps. So I'm gonna try that. Let's do wraps.
You ain't ready for this one. Drizzy.
I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I could do is take a beat for I'll be somebody. After Drake spits some raps, he probably needs a snack. You know, he's just like one of us. Wait, what time is it? Is it tea time? Oh, no, it's snack time, snack time, snack time. Snack time like I eat a ball with this shit. Snack time like I protein shake with this shit. It's snack time. Yeah, for a snack, Drake either has a protein shake or a bar, but I feel like bars are boring, so we're gonna make a protein shake. Let's do it. Do it for the video. We gonna do it for the video. We making that protein shake, dog. We gonna make that protein shake. We gonna make that protein shake.
Drake. I wanna be like Drake now. I wanna eat like Drake, yeah.
So Drake eats healthy. Yeah, it's a harsh realization. I thought I was gonna be splurging today, eating high-end food. It seems he has a pretty average healthy diet. It's like if you put healthy meal plan into ChatGPT, it's sort of what he eats every day. But this is how you get the gains in the gym. This is how you do it. Honestly, everything's been really tasty, but I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't craving spaghetti bolognese up in the Polo Lounge. That's what I want, Drizzy. That's what I want. And you're gonna have me eating some like salmon or something tonight. I already freaking know it. I have a feeling this is gonna be healthy, but let's see what he eats for lunch.
Drake. I wanna be like Drake now. I wanna eat like Drake, yeah.
Alright, so by now you guys probably realize that I'm not the Aubrey Graham of cooking. I'm more like, I don't know, the Chingy. That being said, nothing that some coconut aminos can't cure. Cure coconut aminos. That didn't make any sense. So far, everything Drake eats is protein rich. He loves broccoli. He can't get enough of it. My guy Drake's probably farting all the time. So far, me and Drake eat very similar, which is not surprising. I mean, we're both like super talented rappers, so it makes sense. A lot of these meals can be easily made gluten-free if they're not gluten-free already. With one meal left of the day, I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't craving spaghetti. He raps about pasta all the time and actually just eats cruciferous vegetables. This article has his workout on here. Should we do it?
That wasn't so hard. Now let's see what he eats for dinner.
It's officially dinner time. We've been health nuts all day. We've done more burpees than I can count, but I can only count to 6, so it wasn't that many burpees. And I'm sitting here just jonesing for something saucy. And then when I look at what's on the menu tonight, dinner is lean beef and veggies. Drake is the pinnacle of health, I swear to God. And I started to make this meal until I took one last gander at the article that started it all. It reads, and I quote, "I listened to an interview with Drake's coach, and he mentioned that Italian food is probably one weak point that Drake has, but because of his macro approach, he only has pasta or other heavy carb meals on a rare cheat day." That's honestly so weird because, let me just check the calendar. Today's a rare cheat day.
It's a cheat day, it's a cheat day. Hey, it's a cheat day, it's a cheat day, it's a cheat day. Pasta in my belly, pasta in my belly.
This is great.
Drake
Has good taste.
Like Drake, no. I wanna eat like Drake, yeah.
That's it, folks. That's a full day eating like Drake. I can't wait to be jacked now. Let me know who I should eat like
Drake's
next.
for dinner, Drake. What's for supper? Drake's for the last meal, Drake. Please don't be lean beef. I can't stand no more broccoli.